Hello again everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today clearly I've got a pen for you. Now I've been waiting for this one. I meant to do this last year. Nicely presented in that lovely premium cardboard box. There she is. Lovely. Now you can see I got this at the end of a show in Coventry, okay, for an actual song. Really good price. Anyway, this is the Olight O'Pen Mini Brass, okay. Mini bolt action pen. I love the bolt action feature. I do love a bolt action pen. And of course, limited edition. So great for collectors, okay. Let's get into it, shall we? So this puppy. Now, if you like me, I'm going to put this in the brass EDC. This, of course, is the Bokeh Atlas. Let's cut this puppy out. Come on. There you go. No further ado, straight in there. This is going to be a really good EDC to have all this done and get this sorted out. Absolutely lovely. Can't wait. And get a little leather, brown leather slip. Okay. It doesn't want to come out. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Look at that. Thank you. There you go. You were very welcome. That's over there. And then of course we got this. Read me. No problem. We'll do that. Absolutely lovely. Okay. And there she is, guys. Look at that. Come on. Come to Papa. Okay. So, no mess. You've got a bit of silica gel in there, whatever. Pierce and puncture. No messing about. Let's get to it. Oh, look at that puppy. Oh, lovely. Absolutely lovely, isn't it? Oh, I'm going to enjoy this. Now, clearly, it's got a really nice premium quality. It feels great. Great finish. Very nice. Okay. It also comes in black, purple, red, blue, green and orange, which I actually really like as well. The actual barrel, if we look closely, it's a helix pattern, okay, which I like. What I call a fluted rifle barrel. Oh, I'm gonna like it. Just pop this puppy out here. There you go. Take that out. A bit of silicone or wax. Oh, you know what? I've got XL hands and I can still use this so easily. Fantastic. You know, with the fluted rifle barrel, it's going to aid grip, right? And it houses also the refill, okay, in there. The material I really like because it's solid, high-grade brass. You know, if it looks right, it's going to be right, isn't it? That's what I always say. It's great. It looks great. It really does. And, of course, shall form a unique patina over time, which I like about. It's partly what I like about brass and copper, okay? And if we look closely, it also comes with a deep carry pocket clip, okay, in that lovely black oxide aluminium finish, okay, very nice, which has a very good strong retention. Good to know. Okay, now what I really like about this, one of the reasons why I bought it, and any bolt, look at that bolt action, love it, absolutely lovely. Okay, I enjoy the retracting bolt action, which, you know, I think let's just test it out, shall we? Okay. Wow. First time. What we're doing. Okay, there you go. Subscribe. Okay, that is actually pretty good. I'm actually really impressed, guys. Wow. That is actually very good. I'm really surprised how well this writes. So the tip type, okay, is basically a medium ballpoint. The ink has a good overall saturation, in my opinion, okay. Actually very good. And it's also rated to continuously write up to 800 meters or half a mile. Good to know. All right. Yeah, very nice. I love the bolt action. Like I say, it is smooth and it works well. And also has that fidget factor, if you do so desire, if you like that kind of thing, okay? It's not why I bought it, but the bolt action for sure. But, you know, that is really good. Very comfortable and compact. So, overall, we've got the size now. The actual overall size, okay, is going to be 3 3/4 of an inch, okay, which is 9 centimeters. Thickness is going to be 10 millimeters or 3/8 of an inch. The weight, this can be interesting. I don't know. It's new. Let's have a. It's definitely solid because it's obviously solid brass. Let's find out. 25 grams, okay, which is 0.9 of an ounce. So it's light, guys. It's compact, okay. Good ergos overall, surprisingly good, and an excellent fit and finish. I think you agree. So final thoughts. Overall, for me, it's a simple and stylish pen, okay, that is fun, functional, and also, like I said earlier, comfortable and compact in the hand. It really is. And that's a great price. Very, very impressive. All right, guys, thank you very much. I think I'm going to give this a star rating of, do you know what? 5 stars. 5 stars, highly recommended for a birthday, an anniversary, or a special occasion. Definitely consider it. For price and availability, see the links below, okay? Show your support by giving us a like. It really helps the channel, and I appreciate it, okay? And hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Stay sharp.